I'm Murali from Chennai. I'm a master trainer. That is, I train trainers basically. I also train students. I was wondering why my ideas were not being accepted in all my workplaces. Though I thought they were very genuine, they were from my heart. Like Swamiji was talking about authenticity. I thought I was being very authentic. I spoke from my heart. I didn't know where my mistake was. But now I realize that I did not exactly take much responsibility for what I'm saying. So that is a great insight that I have got from here. I'm responsibility for their takeaway. I was responsible for what I was saying, but I was not exactly responsible for what they are going to take away. So now I realize that. So that is one great takeaway. And another thing is, I took from here is, I thought I could be physically resting even while being mentally awake. And I thanked Swamiji during the another session once, saying how exactly he conceived of such a course. What exactly went through him when he conceived of such a course. He attacked all the patterns of so many different people from various countries and various cultures, and everybody has something to take away from that. So it's really a marvelous thought process that has gone inside in creating such a course. So I have to thank Swamiji for something like that, for coming up with something like that. It hits everybody in this hall in some way. So it is it's praiseworthy beyond words. Another point is, I never knew that there were so many things that happened very early in life that could have an impact in our lives as late as this. Another transformation that you can see in me now is, I never knew that I could address such a huge crowd. I had never stood in front of a huge crowd. Even when I was a trainer, I address only people of almost my own age groups or somebody younger than me, and do as big a crowd as a max of 20 to 30. But if I'm now addressing such a huge crowd, that itself is a great transformation in me, I should say. So, stage fear, Swami was saying that stage fear is fear of facing yourself. Now that actually sparked fear in me. Like, why should I fear myself? I have nothing to hide. I have nothing in me bad about myself. I have been authentic to myself. I've been integrated with myself. So I thought, let me come up at least now. Like, people were giving testimonials even before this. So I had the urge to do it, but now the nudge had come, and I've just come now. That's all.